6:35 right now. It's the Lunar Chinese New Year, the Year of the Tiger, and we're showing you different ways how you can celebrate.
Dallas Ontiveros joins us live from Ala Moana Beach Park with the details. Morning, Dallas.
Good morning, Christine and Ross. Well, you know what? The best way to really celebrate a new year is being surrounded by good energy and vibes to really have it lay out throughout in its entire course. And of course, we're here at Ala Moana Beach Park. The sun's about to come up. It is going to be a beautiful sunrise, I can just tell. And of course, you can hear the sounds. It's a Sound Healing Hawaii with Kaori and Mika. Good morning, ladies. How's it going?
Thank you for having us.
Happy to have you here on the show. I know you already got started right here, but in your own words, tell us why something like a sound bath is something that is practiced, especially at a new start, at a new year, this Chinese New Year.
So this is a great chance for you to go down deep inside yourself and find yourself and then connect to yourself.
Yeah. Take some time to really look in yourself and see what you can maybe do differently, have goals, maybe change something about yourself. But I notice you have all these different elements that sort of trigger that kind of thinking. So tell us what kind of instruments we're looking at, the different sounds they make, and what they do to the body and mind, and of course, the soul.
So this is Tinsha.
Tisha?
Tinsha.
Tinsha, okay.
Yeah, this is from the Nepal and it takes away all your negativity.
Ooh, okay. I need one of those on the go.
Yes.
So Tinsha.
Tinsha, yeah.
Tinsha. Okay,
Tinsha.
what's the next instrument?
And this is tuning forks. This is the frequency tuned for angel.
For angel? Ooh.
Yeah, this is the angel aura quartz.
Can I try that? And what's this made out of? It's just metal here?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, I need some angels coming through.
Yeah, you're gonna
They're
attract
here
the
already.
angel, yes.
Okay, good. They're gonna be hanging out with me. What other instrument do we have
So
here?
this is what I really like. This is the Koshi chime. I want you to try it.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
you have to do it? Okay. Wow. I can really hear it surrounding as well, and you kind of feel like a vibration with everything too.
Yes, yes.
No matter how soft the sound is.
Yes.
Yeah.
So everything is has energy.
Yeah.
Everything has energy and then has own frequency.
Has its own energy, its own frequency, and of course, I know we just had a full moon, or is it still in effect right now?
Yeah, yesterday was a new moon.
Okay, a new moon.
New moon, yeah.
Okay.
New moon is a great time to make intention. And especially it was Aquarius, so Aquarius has a great power to make a manifest. So.
An Aquarius,
Yeah.
okay. Well, we're in that season, right?
Yeah.
Aquarius season. Okay. Well, you know what? Mika and Kaori are going to be giving a performance and really just showing you their talents with Sound Healing Hawaii. And of course, if you want other things to do across the state when it comes to the Chinese New Year, and also therapy or different practices, visit our website at KHON2.com. All right, ladies, take it away. Give them a preview.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
After the past 2 years, I could use all of that right
This
there.
is your year. It's the Year of the Tiger.
Year of the Tiger. It's my season. I'm an Aquarius, so
Wow. That's my tiger sound.
coming up next, we're working for Hawaii with a live look at the roads, and Ross is going to work on his tiger sound some more.
And say it ain't so, value meals may soon be a thing of the past. The cuts that McDonald's and Denny's plan to make when Wake Up Today continues.